And there are costs involved in buying homes in Mexico that other agents seldom warn you about, and they add up fast. I've seen buyers budget carefully for a purchase and then get blindsided by expenses they never anticipated. Today, I'm going to walk you through every one of them so you can budget accurately from day one. Hi team, I'm Greg Gunter, the Dream Pro here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in San Miguel de Allende. Now, I believe in full transparency with my clients, and that means having this conversation early in the process. The sticker price on a property is just the beginning. Here's everything else you need to factor into your budget. Closing costs, for instance. Now, the biggest hidden cost and the one that surprises many people most are the closing costs in San Miguel de Allende, which can run 5.1 to 5.2% of the purchase price. Now, that's significantly higher than most U.S. states where closing costs can basically run 2 to 5%. What's included here? Now, there's an acquisition tax that's 4% in San Miguel de Allende. That's a little bit like a transfer tax in other parts of the world. That sounds a bit high, but it can be higher in other parts of Mexico, believe it or not. Then there's the notario fees, which covers the legal preparation and registration of the deed, city-required appraisal fees, recording fees, and the various administrative and registry costs. On a $500,000 purchase, you should budget around $22,000 in closing costs. Now, that's not negotiable. It's a government-mandated and standard fee. Team, let's talk about attorney fees. Now, in other parts of Mexico, you're often advised to hire a third-party attorney to review everything for you. Guess what? When you work with me and my firm, we've already got you covered, inclusive in those closing cost fees that we already mentioned. My entire support and closing staff, even my assistant Brian, are all licensed real estate attorneys. So you're completely protected when you work with me and my firm. Okay, team, let's talk about property taxes. Now, annual property taxes in San Miguel are remarkably low compared to the U.S. Typically $250 for every $100,000 of purchase price. This property tax is based on the newly purchased price that you've just paid, so ignore the old seller's property tax amount because it's out of date. But that property tax amount is based on a low mill levy, so it remains very affordable. How's your math? On a $500,000 property, that means you'll be paying $1,250 a year in property taxes. That's not per week or per month, team. That's the annual amount for all your property taxes. This is one of the genuine financial advantages of owning in San Miguel de Allende. Okay, team, let's talk about inspections and renovations. If you're buying a colonial property, and many people in San Miguel de Allende do, you might budget a bit for renovations. Even beautifully presented colonial homes sometimes need updating. Maybe new faucets or sinks, perhaps some newer light fixtures, maybe some waterproofing. Remember, I'll help you manage a professional inspection to fully review the entire house before any money goes into escrow. You know you're buying a safe and habitable home before your escrow money becomes non-refundable. Now, keep in mind that the standard practice in San Miguel de Allende, a market where prices are almost always bid down from asking price, is that you've already taken into account any visible deferred maintenance or outdated finishes in your lower offer price. Habitability issues that were not visible, let's say a rooftop propane gas tank that's beyond its city certified lifespan, those will be uncovered in the inspection, and it's only those habitability issues that warrant further financial negotiation with the seller. You'll reach agreement with the seller on those issues before funding escrow. All right, team, let's talk about HOA and management fees. Now, if you're buying in a gated community, factor in HOA fees, typically $200 to $400 a month, depending on the development and the amenities. Higher if it's a branded residence like the Waldorf Astoria or Rosewood. Now, I always recommend that my clients engage a property manager before closing. I'll share recommendations with you so you have a bilingual contact for maintenance emergencies and for transferring utilities to your name, paying staff and bills, things like that. If you don't rent your home while you're gone, that property management can run about $120 to $140 a month. But if you're like most of my clients and you want to rent your home when you're away, our property managers will charge you 20% of the rental income, and that property management is then inclusive in that fee. Okay, team, let's talk about currency exchange and wire transfer fees. One more small cost that most people forget, currency conversion and wire transfer fees. Now, most home purchase transactions in San Miguel de Allende are in US dollars, and the escrow company that I use is based in Texas. So there's no international wire transfer fee, just your normal $25 fee from your bank. The overwhelming majority of our purchase transactions are also based in US dollars, so the only amount of your US funds that need to be exchanged into Mexican pesos are that 5.1% of the closing cost that we already talked about. There will be a small currency exchange fee involved in that, just like when you buy pesos from an ATM when you're down here visiting. Team, the goal of this video is simple. I want you to walk into your purchase with no surprises. If you'd like a full cost estimate for a specific property or price ranges in San Miguel de Allende, I'll put some together for you. No charge, no obligation. Better yet, ask me for my Q&A info handbook. It covers all of this information in extreme detail. I'll email you one right as soon as you contact me. Or feel free to book a call through the link in the description below. If you like the video, team, give me a thumbs up. And hey, I'd love to have you subscribe. I put out a couple of videos every week. You need to know about them. Remember, I'm Greg Gunter, your Dream Pro Realtor here in San Miguel de Allende, and I'll make sure you're fully prepared for your home purchase in San Miguel with me.